What is up? क्या बोल रहे हैं सब लोग? Let's do it. Hey, 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 hey.
You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars, just some broke MCs, but we're gonna go far with the Kasi Plus. You know who we are. You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars. Lost in this game, we pushing it far. The Kasi Plus taking over now.
Damn, it feels like it was just yesterday. Wondering how my life turned out to be this way. So I thank hip-hop for paving the way. Old school, new school, hip-hop parade. Reminiscing on a few years back when I was just a kid, trying to make something out of nothing like any picture this. Cause now I'm living my dream. That's why I got the stars and a microphone tatted on my skin. Jing, jump on your mind, tatted on my arm. You can tell it I'm dedicated. I'm aiming for the stars and a place on top. It's only meant for a few. So I'ma go hard and I'ma go through. 22 years old, Big Breeze what I'm called. I'm trying to make a living spitting rhymes hardcore. No, it ain't easy most of the times. I'm ending up broke, but I ain't giving up, homie. Still holding on to the rope. I turn to people for their help, but they just turn their back. My anger and despair was always up to the max. At 17, mommy caught me stealing from her bags, but she can't expect a kid to run around in racks. The authorities say that selling weed is a crime, but what's a kid supposed to do when he ain't got a dime? Can't even get a job at a no man's diner. Damn, you had your time, I'm waiting for mine. I just wanna let it all right out in the open. Even though it seems hopeless, man, I'm always hoping. I never let anything come between me and my best, cause in the end, player haters, I'm standing out from the rest.
You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars, just some broke MCs, but we're gonna go far with the Kasi Plus. You know who we are. You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars.
Lost in this game and we pushing it far. The Kasi Plus taking over now.
Step your faith, don't test me now. Crip your boo, don't ask me how. I'm come for you, but hot right now. You gave me shit right now. The Kasi Plus get over now. You want beef, it's all right now. Puffin' the blunt, I don't own no gun. I strip you naked, hang you from your boss or from me. Man who did no shit, who won? You're the weak man, no age. Yo, I am number one. Yo, I ain't what you saw, what you thought, what you heard, and what you think. Heart skip a beat every time these hoes hear me sing. I'm cooler than your ice, I shine brighter than your bling. Pimp see the wings of an underground king. Pass me the weed, no, I don't need a drink. I'm all blown out and I don't give a damn what you think. Haters hate to like me, but what did I do? I'm just a kid from the gutter trying to make my butter from all these bloodsuckers. Do you feel me?
You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars, just some broke MCs, but we're gonna go far with the Kasi Plus. You know who we are. You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars. Lost in this game and we pushing it far. The Kasi Plus taking over now.
I'ma start the shit, yeah, welcome to the game. This is how we play, haters always say something I'ma make you say, that's how it goes. Always holding on, always spitting rhymes deeper than a bottle spit. Always working this bitch, trying to make it to the top, climb it bit by bit. Pocket sliding in the feather, but I know I gotta make it. Tomorrow day after work, gotta make some profit, yeah. When we hit them bills, see our names on them billboards. K plus, that's a click that I'm rapping from. Nothing fancy, kinda classy, meaning something more. Success, getting your feet inside the door. You know I ain't gonna stress. You messy with a song, you ain't shit but the best. I ain't gonna stop, I ain't gonna rest until we show the world where one is the best. I'm back on the scene, so you know what it is. Making things happen, that's what it is. Ride low, take it slow, but we handle our biz. We put our heart on the beat and we let the beat pump in. Give it up one time for the B-boys. Give it up 2 times for the rhyme spitters. 3 times give it up for hip hop. Now everybody sing along as the beat drop.
You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars, just some broke MCs, but we're gonna go far with the Kasi Plus. You know who we are. You should know by now we're the rising stars. We don't got no money, ain't got no cars. This game we pushing it far. The Kasi Plus.
First Blood. Double kill.
By the mall,
yeah, I'm burning it up. TPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low lie, yo lie, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show.
Double kill.
44 when she grabbing the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't hold it. Step up.
Double kill.
And if you got a glass jaw, you should watch your mouth, cause I'll break your face. Have your ass running, mumbling to the J. You're going against me, dawg, you're making a mistake. I split your liver like the Michael Jackson jacket with all them zippers. I'm the boss on this boat, you can call me Skipper. The way I turn the money over, you should
First
call me
blood.
Flipper. Or bitch, a regular bitch, you calling a wifey. I fucked and feed a fast food, you keeping her icy. I'm down to sell records, but not my soul. So said this is 94. We don't love them hoes, I got my thoughts, now I'm rich. See the
Double kill.
So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot.
I take you to the candy shop. I want to taste of what I got. I have you spending all you got.
Come on.
Keep going till you hit the spot.
I take you to the candy shop. Candy shop. Candy shop. Candy shop. Candy shop. I take you to the candy shop.
First blood. Double kill. Double kill.